Look at these babies. Ooh. Like, y'all. What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kate Andria, and today I am bringing you a review, an unboxing, and an unfree try-on of my new Air Max 97 VaporMax. Y'all, I'm so hella excited for these. Like, I ordered them when they dropped on the 21st, and I just got them in the mail today, which is the 26th. So I was like, there's no better way to do it than to do it with y'all. So if you're excited about this like I am, make sure you keep on watching. Oh, and definitely be subscribed. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. White Aqua, Varsity Purple, Violet Varsity, and Aqua. Y'all, look at these babies. Ooh. And y'all, can you believe it? Look at the colorway on this. I love the colorway. The purple, the violet, the teal on the inside. It's such a girly color, but these are men's shoes. Like, these do not come in females. I was actually aiming to get the metallic max ones that dropped also on the 21st, but yo, them things sold out in, well, at least my size, actually no, all of them, sold out in 15 minutes. 24 minutes to be exact, because they dropped at 10 a.m. By 10:24, all the sizes were sold out, and I was pissed. Like, I was so tight. I went to get my size, which is a size 10, and it was like, nah, homie, you didn't make the cut. Dead ass, that's what it said. I'm like, nope, didn't make the lineup. So I got these ones instead, which honestly I was debating between the two of them, but so I'm still happy I got these. So I do love that the white, the silver, and the purple are all leather. That'll make it easier for you to clean. I love that the lace comes in like this braided loop thing going on instead of like the crisscross. That's one thing I love about the 97s. It's just like a nice, clean, streamlined look. With the VaporMax bottoms, I love if you look at the bottoms, some of them, like the outside, it has this reinforced tab thing going on, which is actually really good for your feet and orthopedic. Is that what it is? Yeah. But look at this, guy. Look at the colorway on that. And then the inside is a teal color, and obviously it's lined saying VaporMax. I love these. Like, let's see how they fit though, because I had to get them, obviously, like I told y'all, it's the men's, so I had to get it in my men's size, which is 8.5, because I am a woman's 10. Y'all, like, y'all, look, it goes in my outfit. Goes in my outfit that I'm wearing right now. I'm hella excited. Y'all, they feel so comfortable. Like, me, I'm honest with, because I actually prefer 95s over 97s, but again, I do still love 97s. They're just so clean when you look at it. Like, the lines are clean. Everything about a 97 is just like perfection. These retailed for $190 US, and I think that's just pretty average for the VaporMax. So if you don't know why they're called the Air Max 97 VaporMax, is because 97s and VaporMax are two separate shoes, but they did a hybrid of it. So the top is of the 97s, and the bottoms is of the VaporMax. The back of it has a pull tab, and then the purple check to balance off the hints of purple in this lining, and the not so subtle bubbles at the bottom. I actually like that. I honestly think it could have, I would have probably liked a teal to match the inside, but whatever, I'm still rocking with it. The only thing I need to find out now is if I'm gonna wear it laced up, or if we just gonna have the string popping on the side. I don't know. What y'all think? Let me know what you think. Should I lace it? I mean, not lace it. Should I tie it, or should I just pretty much keep it like this? Let me know in the comments. Honestly, I really think I love these because they are so versatile. Like, for gender, they're very gender neutral. That's what I should have said. They're very gender neutral, because again, these are men's, but honestly, you would think, like, by the colorway, you would think that it is a female sneaker. So I don't know, I just really love that. You can get it for the whole family. Like, you can get one for the kids, for your husband, for you. Just be mismatched. Like DJ Envy, like Fab and Emily, like, you could be matching. Like I said, they're super comfortable and they're really bouncy. So, but enough of the chit chat. I am just gonna do the on feet right now so you can see what they're hitting for. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of video, if you like this content, if you want to see more sneaker reviews, because I know y'all always see me in heels. Just give it a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you share this video. Thanks for watching.